Hello everyone. Welcome back to this channel. Are you ready to start selling your own online courses and make money from your expertise and skills? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and sell a paid online course using Tutor LMS and WooCommerce. Whether you're just getting started or looking to take your course business to the next level, this step-by-step guide will help you monetize your content and start generating revenue right from your WordPress site. So, if you're ready to turn your passion and knowledge into profit, let's get started and dive into the setup. In our previous video, we walked through installing Tutor LMS, setting everything up, and even publishing our very first course. If you missed it or want a refresher, check out the full playlist linked down in the video description. Alright, let's jump into the settings to turn this course from free to paid. Head over to the course settings and scroll down to the monetization tab. Here, you'll see an option to select your e-commerce engine. Just open the drop-down menu, choose WooCommerce. Next, don't forget to enable the automatically complete WooCommerce orders feature. This setting is crucial as it allows students immediate access to your course upon payment, creating a seamless experience, then save your changes. Now, let's link your course to a product. Go to the Courses section and open the course you want to set as paid. Scroll down to find the course type setting, where you'll see two options, free and paid. Select paid. Since this is a paid course, we'll need to link a WooCommerce product. To create the product, go to WooCommerce, Products, and click on Add New. Use your course name as the product title for consistency. And add a relevant image to visually represent your course. Next, in the product data section, set the regular price and, if you'd like, add a sale price as well. Once everything's set, publish your changes, and you're ready to start selling this course. Once your product is ready, head back to the Courses section in Tutor LMS and open the course again. Scroll down to Course Type, select Paid, and then choose the course product you just added. Finally, click Update to save all your changes. Finally, let's preview the course from a student's perspective. As I'm already enrolled in this course, it shows as in progress for me. To confirm the paid status, let's open an incognito window with a different account to see how it appears to a new user. Now, you'll see that the course requires a purchase for enrollment. When students buy your course, they'll need to register or log into their account to access their student dashboard, where they'll see their purchased courses and progress. This gives them full control over their learning experience. And that's it. Your course is now set up to generate revenue and ready for students to purchase. In our next video, we'll go over adding a course completion certificate for your students and other essential settings to enhance your online course experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.